complaint of changing what?
Where is the complaint? In case I would expect if somebody has a complaint, it has to be in a formal way, not by mouth, not by just verbal. If you have any complaint, I would expect it to be written and formally with evidence. That's what I expect. So please let us proceed. I believe many of you probably here may have complaints. In connection to the above, in reference, we reject results of the above due to ballot stuffing, beating of our agents, resulting into absence of declaration of results. So if you have any complaints, something to take a complaint as serious as it deserves, really it should be something in a formal way, because look at a complaint, sincerely speaking. Look at a complaint, the way it is presented. It's taken for scanning. After scanning, this is when the people capturing the result. Mpomode Ward, Methodist Primary School, Playground. Bidandi Jeff, 02 votes. Bogere Wilson, 00. Bukale Nicholas, 0. Nagaya, 43. Njia Ali, 00. Okocha Kasolo Peter, 28. Ziwa Julius, 02. Motasa Humphrey, 00. Nagaya, 30. Njia Ali, 00. Nsada Bogere Wilson. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in change the position. Please, we are not going to spend a lot of time in arguments. Let us proceed. Bogere Wilson, 00. Bukale Nicholas, 00. Issa David Mosenze, 03. Votes 01. Ballot papers counted 77. Walukuba East Chabazinga Lane, MUH to Z. Acheng Beatrice, 55. Kawala Juliet, 01. Naigaga Evelyn, 0. 35. Nakaziba Muyamba Mile, 02. Wanyenya Florence Wepikulu, 09. Number of votes cast for I have evidence for one case that I have on my table. That is the Kibibi Buwairama Mosque. Is it compound? What is it? Compound. This polling station. Here with me, I have the Bodondo Police Station case reference number, implying that there were some irregularities at this polling station and the case was reported to police. By all means, we cannot proceed with this polling station. Are we together? We cannot proceed with this polling station, and I have the evidence here. I have the evidence here. So with these other polling stations, without clear evidence, sincerely.
For other candidates. But the law requires me to produce a copy to you and show the discrepancies. What I need from you is your ruling about those telephones you have made, so that is your question about them. Because at least you gave us copies, we have showed them to you, and we have shown you that the score varies from what actually has been read. I thank you. For instance, for police, East Police Station now is there. It has.
Please, let us control our voices. Let us control.
Let us listen to the RO and the person who is raising an issue. If you cannot maintain order, please walk out smartly.
As a returning officer for Jinja City, and in accordance with Section 147 of the Local Government Act, Cap 138, I declare Nagaya
Mukama Katonda for this victory. Nebaza abantu baife bonabona abanaidinda abana Uganda abo abatuwaire obuwagizi ne batuwa obululu. At the same time still nendo kwebaza party yange ya NRM anti ebairewo from the word go okubona nti tumobilizinga n'okufuna support. Nendo kakasa abantu beidinda tinga nze Nagaya Abdulhafidh Alhaj tudakolera walala ne ba stakeholders b'ekibuga fena okusobola okuba nti tu revivinga ekibuga kyaife.
Empapula de batuwaire muri kubona declaration form edu olupapula lwabo abawandika okutola mu kintu ayinde bakakasa nti bampaire olupapula lwabwe era nakwendeka mbeewu batema bava ku kitufu bakola kyebenda so bakakasa nze meya w'ekibuga era nze njakola emirimu gyange nga meya kubanga ono yebagandikira ow'ekipapula ne bamuwa ti ni meya nize meya omulonde okumanya nga wayingwira akaluka nabanyimwe banamawulire twatambula mu budondo twatukanga abantu nga bakubya abantu abaliwo bene betikingira bayiduza bokisi batamu babinga mwakibwine kwa bana muli tibwe kyabaire so nendo bakasa kyobwanguzi nezembulina machazi balangirire mu owundi bana banaidina muje mu maiso nokundita people's mayor zenjako limirimo jabwa meya era oyo ndokuloza nti anayindo kujeta ntala kutujja kwagana mu maiso ga Allah kubanga tune yalonde ibo niza asinza akalulukana bano bakozesa ekibuli balete mundu le mu bwine mu daika 3 balete mundu bakanga awo nze byalanze tiri mative mu byo kwanga nize meya ekisigala ku nendo bakasa tosobola kutola omuluka gondo wa contest nze gwe abasirukale gwe ba ne ogwekibibi abasirukale gwe basigalanga na bali kugutikinga nogugaita kudabaye maze okola kibeto objection ku muluka ogwo therefore tukujja ku challenging ebintu byabwe minu warenga nkola emirimo gyange so tulina okubanga tutaye empapula editaga bumativu ku kyebakoze ngovire
aichainamiza nti ku bantu olukumya oluliwo mukulu Nagayi yafunye obululu 8 Kirunda Mubarak bamuwaawo 0 so ebyabairemu n'emivuyo byabaire mingi era ife nga aba national interplatform titwikiriza na bivire mu kulonda olunaku olwali tosobola kunkoba nti twasobola okuwangula akalulu ka City Woman MP ate obwa City Mayor bwatulema. So ekyo kikafuwe era ndowooza nti nga pate tuli kuteekateeka okuteekinga step eirako.